When you're staring down rusted flanges, caked on gasket junk, or weld splatter, there's no finesse tool that saves the day like a belt sander. But not just any belt sander. This is the AirCat 6325. With a 1/2 inch by 18 inch belt and a 0.6 horsepower motor under the hood, it's built to chew through the tough stuff without stalling or skipping a beat. Think 18,000 RPM. That's controlled chaos in your hand. Variable speed lets you back off when you're detailing or lean in when the job calls for a little more attitude. You're not flipping switches or stopping to dial things in. It's all right here under your index finger. And when the grit's gone, engage the quick release, drop a new belt on, and keep going. No tools, no hassle. This machine was built by someone who's actually had to work under a dash or inside a timing cover. It's the kind of tool that earns its keep, cleaning up aluminum castings, prepping welds, knocking slag off a turbo manifold, or getting a stubborn hub surface ready for a new rotor. One pass, done right. It's skinny, it's balanced. At just over 1.5 pounds, you can run it all day without feeling it in your wrist. And the rear exhaust, it keeps the crud out of your face and your lungs. This isn't just another sander. It's a fix-it-fast, precision material remover for real-world repairs. If you're the tech who handles the ugly jobs, the ones where things have to be clean, flush, and perfect, the 6325 belongs in your toolbox. AirCat 6325, built to take the ugly out of every surface you touch. Check out aircat.com for all of their products and more information. Thanks for watching.